you right here with me. We can do all the things that make it Christmas time.
Hi friends, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I'm super excited. I'm here in Chicago and I'm actually going to be posting this video a little bit out of order, so forgive me for not posting all the way through. But I'm here at the Starbucks Roastery and I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tour and then see if there's any fun goodies for the season.
Sidewalk, sidewalk, two pairs. Sidewalk, two sidewalk, two pairs of tracks. Sidewalk, two sidewalk, two pairs. 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 But for the holiday to go my way, there's one thing on my list. Some secret mistletoe where we can go and finally steal a kiss. Oh, sidewalk, two sidewalk, two pairs. Sidewalk, two sidewalk, two pairs. Sidewalk, two sidewalk, two pairs.
So I came to the second floor to get some breakfast and I just got a simple nitro cold brew. So good, so creamy, so smooth. That's what I got for breakfast. Eggs in purgatory and it looks so good. It smells
Sidewalk, two sidewalk, two pairs. Sidewalk, two sidewalk, two pairs of tracks. Sidewalk, two sidewalk, two pairs. Sidewalk,
I have now made it to the third floor because one coffee is not enough and I want something specialty, and they have a pistachio latte that I'm super excited to try. So I put in my order and they actually are going to text me when it's ready, which is super awesome. So I'm just waiting here, sitting by the window, enjoying the views of Chicago.
two sidewalk, two pairs. But for the holiday to go my way, there's one thing on my list. Some secret mistletoe where we can go and finally steal a kiss. Oh, sidewalk, two sidewalk.
It has arrived. It smells so good.
pairs sidewalk, two sidewalk, two pairs of sidewalk.
Hi friends, I made it back to my accommodations. I just love the roastery so much, but it is busy, so just prepare to wait if you wanted to sit and enjoy your coffee. There's some tables around, but since it's kind of like a touristy Starbucks place, you're gonna have to wait a second. But I love that there's different levels. There is the bottom level is like the roastery section where they actually roast beans in-house. That's where going to be a lot of the merchandise is, and you can buy a few drinks there. The second level is the Princey level, where you can get all of the delicious Princey baked goods or breakfasts, and then as well as some other coffee drinks as well. The third level is going to be the specialty drinks, so the nitro gelato, the latte, the pistachio latte, those types of things. And the fourth level is going to be the alcoholic bar, which has amazing martinis. And there is a holiday drink that I really want to try. It's like the buttered rum, pistachio buttered rum. So I have to go back later and try that. The top level is the terrace, where you can just sit outside and enjoy the Michigan Chicago Avenue, and drink your coffee and enjoy the outside. But like I said, I love it so much. It's like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, but for Starbucks. And it is so cool to see the specialty drinks being made. So fun. So if you're ever in the area, I definitely suggest checking out the Starbucks Roastery Reserve store on Chicago and Michigan Avenue here in downtown Chicago. So much fun. It's the newest one that just opened and the largest one. So definitely give it a check out. Eat some really delicious Princey baked goods and drink some specialty coffees that you can't get at your local Starbucks, and they're amazing. But with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this little small tour of the Starbucks Roastery, and if you want to see more of Vlogmas, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye guys.
We only get this once a year, and now it's here. Feels like Christmas when we're all in one place. It feels like Christmas, these memories we made.
Alright, so I'm going to be
It's wonderful, it's on display to see. It feels like Christmas. It feels like Christmas to me. There is hope in the winter sky, and it's not